What's up everyone, it's Mark with M2M Detail, and today we're going to be doing a headlight restoration, and then I just got to do an exterior detail on this G37S. So I'm not going to be talking too much, it's going to be on a time lapse, show you before and after pictures. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
How we ablaze the fire, make it burn them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound, boy run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday.
Alright guys, just want to go over the chemicals and everything we're going to use for the headlight restoration. We're going to be wet sanding. We got our water, 500 pad, 800, and then we got 1000 and 3000. You could probably skip at 800, you didn't really have to do that, but they're pretty bad, so I'm going to do all 4 of them. And we're going to be using 3M rubbing compound and McGuire's 205 to finish it. 3M is going to be on waffle pad, and then McGuire's will be on flat foam. Alright guys, let's do it.
Never you talk and never you stop. Keep up with God and never you drop. All of my talk and all of my chat. Streets and down, the legend is long. We give them it hard, we give them it strong. We give them it rough, we give them it long. We give them it right and never you drunk. Sweeter the victory, the hotter the buckle. The bigger the cover, the fatter the buckle. The best of the rockle, I might have a knuckle. It's sweet with this. And make them all have fun. How we ablaze the fire, make it burn them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound, boy run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. How we ablaze the fire, make it burn them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound, boy run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday.
Alright guys, just got done with one of the headlights. Came out really good. I'll show you guys some before and after pictures after this. Preparation's key. Make sure you mask off the surrounding area. You don't want the buffer to hit the paint. It would scrape it right off. So it's just a little safety precaution we do. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and then I'll put you guys on a time lapse on the other one too. If you guys are leaving right now, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Worked out pretty good. Just make sure you tape around the surroundings. You don't want to hit the buffer on the paint. Yeah, just make sure you do your surrounding. Preparation's key.